let's talk about food.
Do 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 Mr. B, yeah.
In 1973, several Han Dynasty tombs were excavated in a place called Mawangdui, something like that. Sorry, my Chinese is poor. One of these tombs in particular helps us to gain a picture of what foods people in China might have been eating in 2,000 years ago. The tomb was built in 168 BCE, and it was for Marquise Shinzui, who is known as the Lady of Dai. This tomb is important to us because Lady Dai was sent off with lots and lots of things to eat. Okay, fun side note, Lady Di is actually still around with us today because she's actually one of the most well-preserved mummies of all time, and she kind of looks, well, like this. That's terrifying. Ugh. Despite the fact that the modern day Lady Di looks like a zombie from Walking Dead, Lady Di's tomb was of incredible interest to archaeologists because it has evidence of what people were eating 2,000 years ago. There was rice, wheat, barley, two kinds of millet, soybeans, red lentils, hemp, and malva. There was ginger, lotus roots, jujubes, plums, muskmelons, and strawberries, all found within the tomb. I did say jujubes, but I didn't mean the candy kind. I mean the delicious little fruit ones that grow on a tree and they taste like a little apple. Tasty. You dry them, they look like red dates, but they're just jujubes. Look them up. Delicious. You should try one. Don't know if you can get them in Canada. Pretty sure they're hard to get, but they are delicious, and yeah, they're jujubes. So it's a real thing. Among the dishes that were there was meat and poultry items, things like chicken, crane, deer, duck, dog, frog, goose, hare, magpie, ox, pheasant, pigeon, sheep, sparrow, and turtle dove. I mean, there's fish there like carp, bream, and perch as well. And in addition to the remains of different foods found in the tomb, there's these references to specific dishes found on bamboo slips or pictures contained in the tomb. There are mentions of dishes made of turtle, pig, horse, camel, and duck. Often these records will speak about the specific part of the animal served too. From the lips to the tongue, from the shoulder to the stomach, it seems like ancient Chinese chefs were imaginative and efficient in making use of the animals that they were slaughtering. To season the food, the tomb contains the bark of cinnamon, prickly ash flowers, or Sichuan peppercorns, magnolia buds, and galangal. There were seasonings like salt, sugar, honey, soy sauce, salted beans, and leavening agents that were also mentioned within the writing in the tomb. Not only that, but the tomb also has imported foods such as grapes, alfalfa, pomegranate, walnut, sesame, onion, caraway seeds, peas, coriander, and cucumber, as well as longan fruit and lychee, all brought into China from the south. This shows that the ancient Chinese adapted new food items and that their diet shifted to accommodate new delicious treats that found their way into the Middle Kingdom. Other commonly eaten fruits and vegetables during the Han Dynasty that were absent from the tomb included chestnuts, pears, peaches, apricots, red bayberries, calabash, bamboo shoots, mustard greens, and taro. The tomb is incredible in that it shows a huge variety of food that was available to the upper class of Han Dynasty China. Of course, most people would have had a much less varied diet and one that was centered around cereal grains. In order to find out more about what the regular person would have eaten, you're going to have to tune back in later for the second part of this video in which I talk a little bit about agriculture and you get to find out more about what a poor person would get to eat. Mmm.
Do 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 Mr. B, yeah.